Good afternoon. Today is Tuesday, November the 15th. The time now in Singapore is 12:22 in the afternoon. And overnight over in Wall Street, we have a marginal new high for the month. Over in the Dow Jones, we can see that the marginal high was at 33,964.3, but it ended up as a reversal pattern because we can see at the end of trading during the last 2 hours market sell-off, and close on the week note at 33,536. So this created a what we call a reversal bar here. That means in the immediate term, I think there is a possibility of a market pullback, and there is every possibility market will go back and test the 33,110 levels. So this is something that we want to watch. Yes, I think this pullback here is technical, and do not believe that this rally that we saw from 28,660 at the beginning of October is over yet. There could be one more round in which the market will punch through the August high of 34,281, perhaps to challenge the April high of 35,492. So I think this is quite a possibility. So this pullback is another buying opportunity for those who are trading short term. Like I said, 33,110 could be the level to watch out for. Okay. Over in the S&P 500, we saw a similar move. We have a marginal high in the S&P 500 for the month of November. The high traded was 4,809, 4,000 and almost 9, and then followed by a reversal pattern. So we can see that this bar here also represents something very similar that we saw in the on the Dow Jones itself. So immediately, I think there's a possibility of market pulling back to 3,890 or even 890. 890 there about, and this could present a short-term buying opportunity because I think this market rally is not over. There's a possibility it could actually target the 4,118 at the bare minimum. So this will also put it within a stone throw from the September high of 4,119.3. Okay, so there is a possibility market pullback before a rally again beyond 4,009 to challenge the September high of 4,119. Right? Over the Nasdaq, we can also see a reversal pattern after achieving a marginal high for the month at 11,863.8 overnight, which also been accompanied by a reversal bar in the form of a shooting star. So this means that the market may pull back momentarily. I've already gone ahead and sell short this index because among the major US equity index, the weakest link appear to be the Nasdaq 100. So I'm taking this opportunity to sell short for a pullback before the market rally one more time to challenge the month high. So this is my current play. Okay. Over in Shanghai, we can see that the market continued to edge higher at 18,256.7. Okay, this is largely due to the news that China has is likely to support the property sector, and that caused a massive run up in equity prices in Chinese equities. So this one also spilled over to the Hong Kong Hang Seng Index, resulting in the Hang Seng now having the best run it has ever since the end of October. So this run up from almost 14,600 now has gone up by more than almost 4,000 points. So this has been very remarkable, but technically it has already hit my pocket, okay, my target range of 18,158. Okay, so do watch out for this move here because anytime now, especially if we got a pullback on Wall Street, this may actually compromise the current rally that we see in the Hong Kong equity markets. So do watch out for this potential pullback as a result of weakness on Wall Street. So over in Shanghai Composite Index this morning, we have a new high for the month at 3,126.6. Again, this does underpin the rally that we are seeing from the October low of 2,885. So by the look of it, this appears to be a three-wave unfolding pattern. That means it will put it into a target range of 3,220, which is my bare minimum target here. Okay, so there is potential for this market to extend higher regardless of what Wall Street is doing, because there is this news about the Chinese government coming in to support the property market. Okay, so that is actually giving the market what you call a boost of confidence. Over in the in the Nikkei, we can see that Nikkei did not achieve a new high overnight. This high that we saw at 28,329.5 was actually achieved last Friday, and overnight yesterday we have a inside bar, although this morning is still very tentative. But the idea that the market is doing a three wave has already achieved my target zone, which is something between the 28,000 to 28,465. The market high is 28,328.29. So it has already fulfilled my band, my target. So now the risk is to the downside, especially if Wall Street starting to weaken overnight. So we will have to watch this very carefully. If you have long position, maybe it's a good idea to take some profit off the table and wait for the next move. Over in the currency market, dollar actually managed to rebound overnight. Overnight, yes, but it is still very much a very tentative rebound. The low traded in the dollar yen of 138.46 was actually achieved last Friday, and yesterday the market was struggling, and it managed to close at the off the low at 139.88. Okay, so this morning we see an extended rally from last night's closing price. So we can see that the dollar is attempting to rally, but this rally is I think is a short-term rebound. Okay, I believe that after this massive drop that we saw last Thursday, the pattern suggests that this could end up as a five-way rather than a three-way, because this wave here does looks a bit extended. Okay, so after a rebound, I think the market will go back down again to take out 138, maybe to go down to as low as 135. My target, I'm optimistic that maybe the market will even go down to 132. So if the market does go down to 132, that presents a fantastic low risk, high reward setup, because for those who have missed out buying dollar yen, this could be your last chance to actually look to anchor in a long-term position for dollar yen for the market to take out 152. Okay, over in the sterling, we can see that while the dollar is beginning to rebound, the other major currencies cannot rally. Okay, so we can see that overnight there is an inside bar in the sterling. The high traded was 1.1855 traded on last Friday, and market is tentative. So it would mean that the market may see a temporary pullback before it rally one more time in line with the decline in the dollar index or even the dollar itself. Okay, so that means the market may be targeting over the medium term the 120.60 levels. Okay, so do watch out for this pullback before a market rally one more time. Okay, euro dollars is also showing something very similar. The high traded of 103.64 was actually achieved last Friday. Yesterday was an inside bar. Today is a bit weak. So temporarily, I think the market may actually pull back before it challenges the 133.64 one more time. Aussie has already hit its target because it has already done a three-wave rally. And unlike the other currencies pair, this currency pair, Aussie, actually have a marginal high yesterday at 0.6724, but it ended up as a doji. Doji is a signal that the market is either undecided or is about to pivot lower. Okay, so at any rate, you can see the market actually hit my target range of 0.6715 to 0.6750. So it is well within this bracket of prices, and the market is showing this potential reversal signal. So do watch out for a pullback temporary for all the currencies in line with the dollar rebound. Okay, over in the crude oil, you can see crude oil continued to slide. Okay, yesterday I did mention that I was long. Actually, I mentioned wrongly. I was actually short the crude oil above the $87 levels, and it ended up quite nicely for me. Overnight, we have a pullback to close at $85.87, and this morning it looks like the market wants to extend lower. Now this pullback here that I saw is actually within the internal three wave. So if this is the internal three wave, there's possibility market testing the $82 level. So $82 will be my immediate target. If market can come down to $82, what I will do is I will square off, I will buy back my short position and then reinitiate a long position for another run up to test the August high of $87, and maybe market will even go all the way to $100 per barrel again. So I'm looking for a short-term pullback to $82 thereabout, and then look for a chance to go in and re-establish my long position. So far, my last few trades in crude oil has been successful, and I hope that this string of success can extend a little bit longer. Eventually, you know, I'm going to meet with some losses, but for the time being, I think I'm having a good run in crude oil. Okay. Over in gold market, this morning the market has a new high of 1,775, and after after what happens, I can see that the market is doing a potential reversal. Okay, so what I have did in the morning, because I have been holding my long goal position since October the 7th, so it's been more than a month, and the amount of interest that I'm paying for holding a long position, the spot market has been eating into my profit. So this morning what I did was I took partial profit from my worst entry, and that net me almost $2,000. So the thing is, I'm looking for a pullback, possibly to $1,737, and if I can, I would like to reestablish back new long position for another run up to challenge the $1,800. Okay, $1,800 is my immediate target. In fact, my target is $1,802. Okay, so I think there is the potential for the market to pull back before it rally one more time. So this is my internal play this morning. Okay, over in silver, I do not have any position. The market has gone into my target range of $21.64 to $22. So the market went up to a high of $22.09 overnight, and there is no clear-cut reversal signal yet. Okay, but I will have to take my cue from gold. I hope the market can actually pull back, so it does give me another chance, a fresh chance to actually to position a long position in silver. I think the market driver for precious metal is not in gold, it's actually in silver, because of the short squeeze that we are seeing going into the year-end futures delivery. Okay, so ideally the market can come to $20.56 or $21 onwards. I think it will start to look very attractive, and I may consider taking up a long position in silver. Over in the crypto space, everything looks very pessimistic. I think there is definitely a chance the market may even hit lower going forward, because you can see after the fiasco of the FTX blow up, most of the crypto space has become very bearish. So the low traded so far is $15,677.91. There's every scope the market may even take out this low and hit towards the 12,000. 12,000 to 8,000 is going to be the immediate target for people who wants to position a long-term long position. So as bearish as it may look right now, once it comes to 12,000 to 8,000 levels, it will start to look attractive for those people who want to buy and hold. Over in Ethereum, it does looks bad too. The tentative rebound to $2,229.50 has frizzled out, and it looks like it may come back down again and test the year low at $883.60, and possibly even take out the $800. Once the market goes to $800, I think it will look between $800 to $700. I think that will start to look attractive for long-term player who wants to buy and hold the Ethereum. Ripple still do not have any good news. Market is drifting lower, so that at this point in time, what is holding the market is the June low at 0.2875. So if the market take out this level again, we will have to look for the next potential support level, which is 0.1687. So everything looks really bad. Even the most optimistic, which is the Binance coin, has also not been able to hit my real target, my target of $408. It top out at $397.90, and then we have a massive sell down last week, and that actually damaged the chart somewhat. Okay, if this market continue to slide further, then I think the next logical level for the market to seek support will be $183.40. Okay, so Dogecoin, of course, has no inherent strength. The market has been bought up because of Elon Musk taking over Twitter. The high traded last week was 0.1589, and the market now is coming back down again. Overall, we can see that the bearishness in the crypto space may last all the way to the year end, and hopefully we can see better times next year. Okay, so there we have it. Until tomorrow, this is bye-bye.